If you want to change Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome on Windows 11, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether Chrome is not installed yet, or you just want to make it your default browser, I'll show you exactly what to do in a simple and easy way. This is a great fix if you prefer Chrome for browsing, extensions, syncing, or just a more familiar experience. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, if you do not already have Google Chrome installed on your computer, you need to download it before you can set it as your default browser. Open Microsoft Edge, since it is already installed on Windows 11, and go to the official Google Chrome download page. Once the page loads, look for the blue Download Chrome button and click it. Your browser will begin downloading the Chrome installer file, usually called chromesetup.exe. After the download finishes, open the file and run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. It only takes a few moments, and once it is finished, Chrome will be installed on your Windows 11 device. Now that Chrome is installed, the next step is to set it as your default browser. Windows 11 manages default apps through the Settings app, so this part only takes a few clicks. Press the Windows key and I on your keyboard at the same time to open Settings. In the Settings window, click Apps from the left-hand sidebar. Then on the right side, select Default Apps. This is where Windows lets you choose which app opens each type of file and link by default. Next, look for the search bar that says Set Defaults for Applications and type Chrome into it. When Google Chrome appears in the list, click on it. On the next screen, you'll see a button at the top right that says Set Default, or it may say Make Google Chrome your default browser. Click that button, and Windows will automatically switch the standard web file types and link types over to Chrome. That means links, HTML files, and most web pages will now open in Google Chrome instead of Microsoft Edge. If Windows asks you to confirm the change for specific file types, just accept the prompts so Chrome becomes the main browser for those web actions. Once that is done, you are finished. From this point forward, Chrome should open whenever you click a web link from Windows 11, email, or many other apps. This is one of the easiest ways to make your browsing experience feel faster and more personalized if Chrome is your preferred browser. If you want to double check, you can click a website link and confirm that it opens in Chrome instead of Edge. So to quickly recap, first download and install Google Chrome from the official site if you do not already have it, then go into Windows 11 Settings, open Apps, choose Default Apps, search for Chrome, and set it as the default browser. That is all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you change Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome on Windows 11, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.